Right, so today we were looking at brusho. I got the 24 colour pack, which are now in here because that's how you open them, with a pin. You don't want to open them because it's like glitter, you'd see it forever. So they're in there, all nice and away. First impressions, fabulous. These are all the colours you can get. Really good hints and tips there, telling you what you can do. Also, made in the UK, in Sheffield. So, practicing. Putting water down, having a look, see what it does. It's awesome. That's what it is. Next, what did I do next? That was next. And then, oops, a little tree. Another little tree. Another little tree. So that try feather. Bit of abstract. I do like that one. Composition, not brilliant. But I was trying to see if I could control it and where it went, and you can control it to a certain extent, but not completely. So I thought I'd go out on a limb and just try a bit of seeing what the colours look like together. I think this is one of my favourites, definitely. Then this one, I do like that one. It looks a bit like mountains. But I think my all-time favourite is this one. And I popped a bit of Stuart Sample gold on here as well, just to add that little bit of something. But I love these colours. They are amazing. Look at that, how it's just amazing. It's like ink when you've worked with alcohol inks, but this is just so cool. Looks like a galaxy in there. It's amazing. So let's have a look how it works.